Hello, today we're going to introduce you to the M&Ms, which are music, memory, and mind.
I'm Angela.
And I'm Alice.
Here is our basic information.
Music is the universal language of mankind. It has undeniably influenced people from all around the world, and the presence of music has become an irreplaceable component that is relied on a daily basis. As teenagers, music is like a motivation, inspiration, and antidepressant. Although as students, our lives revolve around studying and memorizing the information of different school subjects, many of us still possess the habit of listening to music at the same time as we do our work.
However, just recently, the school has announced a new policy of regulating the earphone use in class. But this has caused a lot of controversy on whether if earphone use is actually a negative impact on students. We want to use this opportunity to investigate which type of music written allow us to memorize the most words, and hopefully apply the result to our lives. We also want to verify the reliability of the school new earphone regulation policy, and take a closer look to see if it's actually relevant.
So here comes the question. How does music rhythm affect memory?
Before we answer this question, these are some important words you need to know about our experiment. The four kinds of music we chose have different speed of tempo, and the rhythm relates to the steady pulse you feel in the sound of notes.
BPM, or beats per minute, is a term for measuring the tempo of a piece of music. Baroque music is a heavily ornamented and elaborate style of music from Renaissance, which includes changes in musical notation and the development of new instrumental playing techniques.
Future house EDM is characterized by a muted melody with a metallic and elastic sounding drop. Bubblegum pop is a lightweight and catchy pop music with simple phonetic structure.
We hypothesized that if Baroque music is played before the memory test, the test score is expected to increase due to the music's calming rhythm that enhances concentration.
These are our variables. The independent variable is the rhythm of music, and the dependent variable is the memorizations of words. Some control variables are the volume of music, time played, and memorizations of time.
The control group is no music, and the experimental groups are Baroque classical, future house EDM, and bubblegum pop.
The materials are required for experiment are a pair of noise-canceling headphones, a pen, some paper, at least one computer, 4-word list with 10 words each, which are a memory test, and most importantly, your brain.
Just to make everything fair, here's an explanation of how we got our test. First, access to the website random word generator and set the number of words to 10. The researcher will start with the experiment and compile the word list. The same process repeats for all the other groups, and we do this to make sure no one sees the test before the experiment starts.
When the actual experiment starts, the subject memorizes words from the first word list for 1 minute. Then, the subject will write down the words they memorized on a blank piece of paper, which is also 1 minute. Another 1 minute is timed while the subject is rest.
In the second round, the subject memorizes the words from the second word list, while Baroque music is played for 1 minute. As the music pauses, the subject writes down the words they memorized, and another 1 minute break is taken by the subject. The same steps are repeated for the other experimental groups. Here are the graphs for our results.
Based on graph 6, the control group with no music has the highest average number of words memorized, and the experimental group with Baroque music has the lowest. However, there isn't an obvious correlation between BPM and memory.
The hypothesis is rejected and has shown the complete opposite. Our experiment has proved that not only does Baroque music not increase memory, but it's also the music rhythm type that works the worst for memorizing words. Although there isn't a clear relationship between BPM and memory, but the results have shown that the control group, or the group without music, works the best for memorization.
Even so, it doesn't mean that music is a bad thing since there isn't a real one-size-fits-all regulation. Certain types of music might work better for some individuals, while no music works better for others.
To improve our experiment, the order of the music played should be randomized. Since the resting time before the first round is the longest, and research shows that student attention generally declines over a certain duration, the results might be affected.
We should also try to avoid doing the experiment during the break time, since the amount of time is not enough to complete the entire experiment. Another improvement is to make sure we play the music at the same time as the 1 minute for memorization starts.
For future investigations, different methods can be used as memory tests instead of vocabulary words. For example, numbers and the order of colors. Also, to explore more on how music can impact us, we can design an experiment that tests how music can impact our emotions, since your mood can greatly affect how active you perform in class.
Finally, these are our citations.
Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Bye!